Bethany Society Meghalaya tyrwa ki jingai jingmut hakhmat ke expert committee halor ka State Reservation Policy ban mang lupa 100% ni ki briew duna dkhot haka State Reservation Policy thymmai jong ka Jylla. Bethany Society kdew banakan ka 100% ka bhah 3% ni ban bu ki duna haka bor khmat ni visually impaired 3% ni ki duna haka bor sngew ni hearing impaired 3% ni ki duna haka bor ban iaid ni locomotor impaired but 3% ni kiwei pat ki jingduna dkhot
that must be followed, and that it should be transparent, and so at the moment we don't have any idea of how many persons with disability are actually employed, and in what categories. So that's very important. So we raise those points. Yeah. We just suggested one major point. Please follow the Meghalaya State Policy for Empowerment of Persons with Disability and the RPD Act, because both of them say that 4% reservation of jobs will be there for persons with disability. Benchmark disabilities, 1% for the visually impaired.
Yakani la pyntip the Secretary of Bethany Society Meghalaya Carmo Noronha iathuh Bethany kalabanjur ke expert committee baka State Reservation Policy kareban nangkat kum ka Rights of Person with Disabilities Act arja khandriu baka Meghalaya Policy for Empowerment of Person with Disabilities kibala ai ya ka bhah thumkam ba 100% ni ki briew duna dkhot hagi kam sarkar.